Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Gusto with accounting software. Now, whether you're using QuickBooks or Xero or another accounting tool, Gusto makes it simple to sync payroll data and keep your books clean. And here's how you can connect and use Gusto with various accounting softwares. Step 1, go to the integration page. Now from your Gusto dashboard, you want to head over to the apps or integration section. And this is where you're going to find all the available third-party tools that Gusto connects with. Step 2, choose your accounting software. Now you're going to see options like QuickBook Online, Xero, FreshBooks, and many more. So just select the accounting software that you want to make use of. Step 3, authorize the connection. Now you're going to be prompted to log into your accountant's software account. So you just enter your login details and give Gusto permission to access your data. Step 4, map chart of accounts. Now once connected, Gusto is going to ask you to map payroll categories like salaries, employer taxes, benefits and reimbursements and such, all to the appropriate accounts in your accounting system. Now this step ensures that transactions are categorized accordingly. Step 5, set up your sync preferences. So you can usually choose between automatic or manual syncing. Auto sync pushes payroll data into your accounting software after every payroll run, whereas manual sync gives you more control. Step 6, review and confirm. So double check your setup and then click save or connect to finalize the integration. Gusto will now pass payroll data into your accounting platform seamlessly. And that's how easy it is to use Gusto with accounting softwares. Keeping your payroll and books aligned just got a whole lot easier. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.